Thinking of earning money by delivering food? With Uber Eats, you can start riding and earning with just a bicycle. It's flexible, easy, and a great way to explore your city while working. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up using your bike in the UK. First, open your browser and go to Uber Eats official website. Navigate to the Deliver section, click Sign Up to deliver, and begin the application. Choose bicycle as your delivery method. Enter your basic information like name, email, and phone number. Upload your valid government-issued ID. Provide your national insurance number for background checks. Complete the background screening and wait for approval. Once approved, download the Uber Driver app and start accepting delivery requests. That's how easy it is to start delivering with just your bike. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.